Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to easily buy any product from Amazon, step by step from A to Z. Thanks for watching. Watch till the end to understand the full process. Go to Amazon.com, click Sign In, then choose Create Account. Amazon may send a verification code. Just enter the code and your account is ready. When you click the product, you'll see Customer Reviews Price. Always choose items with 4-star ratings and make sure to read customer reviews before buying. If it says Sold by Amazon or Fulfilled by Amazon, the product is usually more reliable. Or click Buy Now if you want to purchase immediately. Now you need to enter your shipping address, delivery option, payment method. Amazon accepts Visa, MasterCard, international debit, credit cards, gift cards. Finally, click Place Your Order. After placing the order, go to your orders to track your package. You can see where it is, when it's shipped, and when it will arrive. Always check for deals like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Apply Amazon coupons for extra discounts. Always check the return and refund policy before buying. And that's how easily you can buy products from Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Many people think shopping from Amazon is complicated. But actually, it's super simple to buy anything from Amazon. The first step is to create an account. Enter your name, email, and password to set it up. Now type the product name in the search bar. For example, smartwatch, blender, or Bluetooth speaker. Product details, ratings, delivery options. Check who is selling the product. If you like the product, click Add to Cart.